Hey queens and kings, welcome back to the channel. We will be making a DIY herbal hair thickening spray today. First, grab a jar like so, well sterilized. Our first ingredient is bay leaves. This is an updated video of what we did last time. This is the perfect way you should make this for maximum results. So listen attentively so you understand everything I have to say for this recipe. I've done this in the past, but this is an updated version. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is bay leaves. I brought a pack so you know that you can get this from the spice stores in the market. Anywhere you are, you can get this from the spice stores, or you can even get it in Ayurveda stores. So bay leaf is a spice in many kitchens, and for a good reason. It's aromatic and can be used to flavor dishes or as a part of cooking process. But did you know that this can be used for your hair benefits? Yes, this can be used for hair benefits. Bay leaves are rich in vitamin B, which is known to improve the overall health of your hair. But more importantly, they help promote healthy hair growth. They help a lot with hair thickness. They also prevent hair loss. Hair loss is another common problem that many men face. They also inhibit graying. Gray hair can be a frustrating problem for many people. Luckily, bay leaf inhibits the graying of hair. So for the proportion, we are making use of 5 leaves of the bay leaves, which I transferred into the jar. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is cloves. We are going to be making use of cloves buds for today's recipe. You all have been hearing me mention to you the benefits of cloves on this channel, so you can refer back to most of the videos for the benefits. I'm definitely not going to be sharing that in this video. So these are cloves buds and you can get them on Amazon. We are going to be making use of cloves buds, but if you have cloves powder, go ahead and use them. They are the same thing. So for the proportion, I'm going to be making use of 1 tablespoon of the cloves bud, which I'm going to be transferring into my jar. Please, if you don't have this jar that I'm using, go ahead and use bowl, but make sure that all apparatus to be used for your DIYs are well sterilized so as not to introduce microorganisms into your hair. So I transferred that into the jar and proceeded for the next process. Here lies the update. This is the major difference from the other video that I shared earlier. So I transferred 50 cl worth of hot water into the jar. For the infusion process, I covered with a foil paper. I always tell you that you don't need plastic for the covering when you are infusing with hot water. So I cover that with foil paper. Now for the infusion process, this will take 24 hours. You're going to leave this for 24 hours. That is the difference from the other one. So you're to infuse for 24 hours instead of 12 hours that we did the other one. So after 24 hours, this is my result, and we are going to be saving that to get our hair tea. From research, I found out that the longer you infuse bay leaves, the better the results. Hence the reason why we infused for 24 hours. Please do not infuse yours for more than 24 hours, because if you do, it will start smelling. So you will still notice the scent after 24 hours, but please do not leave it on the surface without refrigerating it. So look how beautiful this tea is. I'm going to be demonstrating for you all how I use this, even though I already demonstrated that in my other videos. I'll still go ahead and show you guys and also explain to you how you can use this for maximum results. This tea works amazing, hence the reason I'm sharing an updated version of this video. I've seen a lot of you commenting in my other videos, sending me your feedbacks on this tea, and I began researching more on it, kind of trying to get a better version for you all so that you can keep on sharing your feedbacks. Thank you so much if you have shared your feedback so far from using this tea from the previous video we've done. So infuse it for 24 hours. That way it will work better, even more than the other one. For the application process, please do not rinse this out. No need to waste this tea. Just apply it on your hair, kind of hydrating your hair, and then go ahead and apply leave-in conditioner on your hair on top of that. Then go ahead and seal with hair butter cream. That's basically the perfect way to use this tea. I don't care any other way you use yours, but this is the perfect way to use it for maximum results. If your hair is shedding, please make this tea and use it. After use, you can seal in all that moisture with your hair oil or introduce a leave-in conditioner to your hair. Please, if you have fine hair, your hair strands are fragile or fine like mine, please do not use heavy butters on your hair. Do not use leave-in conditioner that are heavy on your hair. Use lightweight leave-in conditioner. They are sold on the market, but make sure when getting your leave-in conditioner, make sure that it has water as one of the ingredients. So apply that on top of this tea and then seal in the moisture with your hair growth oil or hair butter cream. So that's basically it for this perfect way to use this. If your hair is bald or you've got bald patches or your edges are receding, please apply this tea on those areas and give yourself a gentle massage. Please be consistent. This hair tea works amazing. I've come to realize that it's so potent, it's so amazing. It gives a lot of results, from helping you combat dandruff to growing back bald spots, stopping shedding, thickening hair, and many more. This tea is amazing. Even if you're not using any other one on this channel, please concentrate on this and you definitely see an amazing result. You can also add hibiscus to yours. You can also add some essential oil to enhance the scent. That's amazing. This hair tea is to be used 2 to 3 times weekly to moisturize your hair. Normally you're supposed to moisturize your hair 2 to 3 times weekly. I always say this on this channel. You can't keep complaining your hair is breaking, your hair is shedding without moisturizing your hair. Moisture helps your hair stay lubricated. It also helps minimize shedding and breakage. For storage, please store in the refrigerator for only 5 days, and after 5 days, please discard and make a fresh batch. That's basically it for today's video. Please ask your questions in the comment section below. Let me know if you have seen results from using the first one. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next upload shortly. Bye.